Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make beef burger. Welcome to Youuchef, where you are the chef. Today, I'm going to show you first up, I have to make the hamburger bun. To do that, I will be making a sponge, which is flour, milk, yeast, and sugar. I'm going to allow the sponge to ferment for 30 minutes to an hour. Once that is done, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients and take the dough and turn that into hamburger bun. Now to make the burger patties. In a bowl, I have the mincemeat, garlic, onion powder, salt and black pepper, hot pepper, 1 egg yolk, and butter. Yes, butter. What the butter does, it keeps the burger patties moist, especially when you're buying the mincemeat from the grocery. Finally, it is time to show you how to make and assemble the hamburgers. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell on YouTube. Leave a comment on the type of burgers you like. If you've seen this video on Instagram and on Facebook, don't forget to become a follower. See you on the next video.